Amy doesn't smile in any of her pictures because she is conscious of her crooked teeth. Just like Amy, if you're looking for methods to straighten your teeth, then Zenyum is the right choice for you. Zenyum's invisible braces are affordable and convenient. You can start your treatment process by filling in the survey and signing up for a free pre-assessment. Upon submitting the survey, you'll receive a follow-up email from Zenyum asking for pictures of your teeth. The email has instructions to help you take pictures from different angles. Send in your pictures by replying to the email. After our council of doctors approve your pictures, we will book you in for a consultation session at one of our partner clinics located near you. You can choose any clinic close to your house. At the consultation, our dentist will do a 3D scan of your teeth, take x-rays, and do a physical assessment to help determine your suitability for Zenyum invisible braces. Around 2 to 3 weeks after the scan, you will receive a treatment plan, a 3D simulation of your brand new smile. Once you approve and pay, your braces will go into production. You will receive your invisible braces 3 to 4 weeks after payment. Your dentist will ensure that your aligner fits properly and explain how to use them the right way. The doctor can track your progress through the photos you send them via the Zenyum app. Within 3 to 9 months, you can achieve a confident new smile. Zenyum, smile more.